Hi, it's Watercolor with Wendy, kindergarten edition. Because of the crisis we're in with the virus, I'm finding people are far too distracted to do any kind of major painting. So we're just going to go over one simple, short technique a day until this is over. So we're just going to talk about wet and dry paper right now. Very simple. So if I have wet paper, could be very wet. If I have wet paper and I take some very, very, very thick paint, I get a shape that has a soft edge. The thicker the paint, the less it bleeds. Now I'm going to get some even thicker paint. That means feeling sticky. So it has a soft edge. There's more water down here, so it's bleeding. It has a soft edge on whenever you have wet paper, as opposed to the dry paper over here. That's a hard edge. Dry paper, hard edge. So even if I add water to this, the edge stays hard because the paper is dry. Hard edge. Add some more water. Add some more water. Add some more water. Add some more colors. The hard edge holds. Hard edge. So that's it for today.